Hello! Welcome to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Ester-Melissa and I'm a health coach and a life coach. And I'm here to support everyone who wants to become a healthier, stronger and happier self. We live in a world filled with movements, expectations and responsibility. Many of us give a lot to work, to family, to creativity, and to others. And within all this giving, the body carries everything with it. Effort and restoration belongs together. Recovery days are essential for the body. They are the days where repair, balance, integration take place. When the body does some of its most important work. When you rest, the body remains active in a different way. Energy is redirected towards healing. Systems recalibrate. Tissues rebuild. The nervous system settles into regulation. Recovery supports progress in a sustainable way. Muscles strengthen as movement is integrated. The nervous system resets as safety is felt. Hormones regain rhythm when stress signals soften. Digestion flows more smoothly as the body senses calm. The immune system restores itself through balance. Recovery days support the whole system, not only physical strength. For many people, recovery days matter even without intense training. Life itself carries mental load, emotional responsibility, and a constant input. The body responds to life stress in the same systems that respond to exercise. When recovery is woven into daily life, the body receives space to restore. This is where resilience is built. The nervous system restores itself when it senses safety. Safety is communicated through rest, warmth, gentle movements, and presence. Recovery days give the body permission to soften. They allow stress hormones to settle. They invite the systems back into balance. This is how regulation becomes possible. For women especially, recovery aligns with natural rhythm. Energy moves in cycles, rising and falling over time. Honoring recovery during lower energy phases supports hormones, moods, and clarity. This creates steadiness rather than exhaustion. Recovery here is cooperation with the body. Recovery appears in many forms. It can be gentle walking, stretching, awareness, warmth, stillness, nourishment, quiet moments, earlier sleep, or choosing less when the body asks for space. Recovery is responsiveness. For some, rest has felt unfamiliar. This often comes from environments where slowing down was rarely supported. And still, the body holds an innate memory of balance. When recovery is offered consistently, trust begins to return. The body learns it can restore without urgency. Recovery days matter because they allow the body to integrate everything it has carried. They are where health becomes long-term, where strength becomes reliable, where clarity returns, where the system feels supported rather than stretched. Recovery is an act of wisdom. It reflects care, awareness, and respect for the body's natural design. Recovery Day supports you, and the body responds with resilience, balance, and strength. Rest is a part of how life sustains itself. And when recovery is honored, the body meets you with trust. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this touched your heart, you are always welcome to like, subscribe, and be a part of this beautiful community of growth and healing. You deserve a life where you feel healthy, strong, and happy. Sending you love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.